Bite-sized daily is your daily source of tech news. Movio wants to make your marketing videos with generative AI. Generative AI is suddenly everywhere. Over the past year, you've probably seen people showcasing impressive AI-generated artworks thanks to progress in text-to-image algorithms introduced by groups like OpenAI and Stability AI. A proliferation of startups is now trying to devise applications for this new class of language model where the machine is capable of creating. The Xbox Series X could be getting new graphics modes that can save you money. Price of performance. LG new stretchable high-res display is bizarre but brilliant. Is this the future of display technology? Sony to use bamboo sugarcane fiber instead of plastic for packaging. Starting in 2023, small products including smartphones and cameras won't use plastic packaging. Elon Musk puts his own politics on display on election day. The new owner of Twitter has urged his followers to vote Republican. How to unsend or recall an email on your iPhone. You can get back an email you've already sent through the Mail app on iOS 16, whether it's via Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo or iCloud. Twitter engineer says he was fired for helping co-workers who faced layoffs. The former Twitter Inc. engineer has accused the company of firing him days after it was acquired by Elon Musk because he developed a tool to allow workers to save important documents in anticipation of mass layoffs. iFi Uno is a tiny, cheap DAC that easily upgrades sound from your phone or laptop. A dinky 9 box that won't burn a hole in your pocket. Wing brings drone delivery options to DoorDash customers in Logan, Australia. Alphabet's Wing has teamed up with DoorDash to offer drone-based delivery via the DoorDash app for customers in Logan, Australia. MediaTek Dimensity 9200 5G chipset offers big battery performance gains. MediaTek's latest 5G chipset sets a number of firsts and will be available in smartphones this year. This video production was fully automated and brought to you by Squawk Studio. Thank you for watching.